Di na magkuha sa'yo.
First time pa naman to.
Yeah guys, this is boating experience.
Sendan ka na ko, Tim.
Oh my gosh.
At saka na nangyari na.
So where are we going?
Gotta
Going
go
over there.
this way.
Magdilit
Straight.
sa
I can't see, so
Huh?
I can't really see behind me. So tell me where to go.
Someone.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, someone
Yeah,
will keep on straight. Straight.
Oh, you have to make a little.
Yeah.
Like in driving straight.
Oh my God. Okay, baby.
So this is rowing guys, boating.
Mm-hmm.
Look at that. It kinds like a deep area, right?
Yeah,
Deep.
kind of deep.
Kind of deep. If we will be sinking here, we have to swim. Over right here, right in the middle. Keep boating in the middle.
Be careful, lah.
Yeah.
In the middle.
Yeah, just like that. Like that, lang.
Okay,
Yeah,
straight.
Straight.
Right. You have to get out in the tunnel.
Yeah, just straight lang.
This one is a tunnel area. So much exercise for the truck.
It's a lot easier.
Yeah, it's not easy. This
It's a lot easier than
energy.
I forgot to bring my sunglasses.
Yeah.
I have it inside my car, but.
I don't know how deep this is.
Yeah, enjoy watching guys. We have so much fun in here. That's so much fun in here. Look at this.
Careful. Careful. No, you have to be careful with her.
Mister, be good, mister, because we are in the middle of
Yeah.
the road.
Well, this is kind of like deep. Maybe 15 inches,
You okay lang?
Yeah.
15 meters.
Yeah.
You good? You good?
Yeah, I'm good. I'm just trying to get the hang of it. Just trying to get
Yeah,
used to
this one for canoeing. So, this is not this canoe kayak.
it. Where are we, girl? I think
Init
we're like...
tayo, no?
Yeah, it's hot.
Yeah.
Look at this Misty. So much fun, Misty. Oh, this is it. Oh, wow. This is it.
You okay, girl?
Oh, we're far now.
Yeah.
No, still here. We're still here in the entrance.
What if the water's cold?
Picture, picture. Natay remembrance. Picture to.
Yeah.
I'm gonna take a picture there. Come on, At Linda. Tabang. Mo da.
Nahinto ka na din, Deng?
Kasi nag-delete ako. Nag-delete ako kay
Dami mong kuanda yung
nag-delete
live streaming.
Oo nga.
Yeah, patayin mo yung live streaming mo.
Balik picture mo.
Buti na lang marami pa rin yung...
Bihira lang tayo sumakay nito eh. Siguro lang.
Yeah.
Maybe maraming maligo dito na?
Yeah, I think so.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, here, in the middle.
Go, daddy.
No.
Sit. Tabang lang.
Hmm?
Wow. This way.
Yeah.
Sweat in my eye.
Oh, we're just far already to the...
Gonna go fishing when I come back here.
Yeah, next time.
May isda?
Yeah.
Yeah, we can do fishing here.
Yeah.
Rato. So keep going lang. You want me to do it?
No, I got it.
No, we can't stand anymore.
Yeah, we can't.
Here. You see the dragon boat? How thick they are, the rowing. That is rowing, right?
Smile, love.
Yeah.
Rowing.
Smile, like smile. No,
Mister, you just stay there because
Wow,
we are in the
my
middle of the.
teeth.
Mister, you stay there because we are in the middle of
Just stay.
something.
It's okay. It's okay. I mean, she wants to. Oh, you have to manage her, don't just.
I know, but I'm taking pictures too.
Eh?
I wanna see the water. Yes.
Ano kaya si Mr. I-ano natin dito?
Ayaw kaya kay magkalisod-lisod sa ayaw natin. Ayaw dyan na ipanawag si Mister.
I-unload na. Oh wow, malayo na tayo ah.
Yeah.
Wow.
Love, we still have more time, love.
I know.
Strong, love. You okay? You sure you got it?
I got it. It's just where we're going. Alright, this way. I'm gonna go this way.
Where we're gonna go? That side? Can you make it?
Oh, that side.
Look at those people. They're far now.
Oh.
You want me to sit with you and
No.
do the other side?
No.
Kasi kung dalawa kayo dyan, magsabay kayo, no?
Yeah.
Ah, pwede naman hindi masabay eh. We are in the middle of the lake. This is kind of like
Fine, right? Oh, no, fine.
fun.
Put your leg right there. That side, yeah. You okay?
It's sweat in my eye.
What's up, Erlinda?
You want me to do the other one?
No.
You try.
I'm trying to have a space
Okay,
there.
guys. Thank you so much for
You
watching.
can relax too.
Yeah.
See you
If you're
in the
tired,
next
then you're
video. Bye for now.